So my inspiration was drawn from a project that was being done by then Tunapanda. They wanted to see how community schools within the informal settlement could access educational content. My interest got me absorbed into this project, and towards the end of 2021. So, as I've said, Tanda is a community network. So, community networks, these are uh, ideally are telecommunication service providing initiatives that are at the grassroots. In Kenya, you can say they are the lower levels, the lower tiers of service provider. But the difference with other internet service provider is that there is that community ownership and community approach. So our focus is mostly on Kibera informal settlement. So Tanda community first offers affordable connectivity compared to other ISPs around, because you get that with mobile network operators, there is limit in terms of speed, there is limit in terms of capacity, and there is limit in terms of time. But Tanda offers unlimited access at affordable fee. So we want to champion community-driven development through connectivity. So just like any other internet service provider, equipment, the cost of equipment for this telecommunication infrastructure sometimes is quite expensive. Our approach has been that we leverage on the mostly affordable infrastructure. For example, our network is mostly on wireless, where we use the ISM band or spectrum that is free in Kenya. So we intend to use affordable technologies to bridge the digital divide. But we also are looking into the fact that some of these wireless technologies is limited in terms of there is a lot of interference and a lot of noise that comes with wireless technology. So we are in the pilot phase of trying to roll out fiber, but also this comes as a challenge because purely our capacity has been limited, but we are in talks with our partners to see how we can build our capacities to run fiber technologies and to deploy fiber technologies. So apart from cost of equipment, we also experience that because we are serving a vast variety of community initiatives. For example, we work with women-led organizations, we work with youth-led organizations, we work with community-based organizations, we work with human rights defender organizations. We work with also individuals who find value in our services. So having a chance to work this vast variety of organizations, each has its own unique needs. So challenges vary from one community to another, but with the approach of community networks is the angle of ownership. How do we own up this space? How do we co-create initiatives that seeks to address these challenges? What gives me joy mostly is the fact that we have a community that is online, a community that is able to leverage on the online space for either development or for social economical good. The greatest joy is when a community is able to leverage on our intervention. For example, if there is a training intervention that we've done with the communities, and they are able to use that training opportunity to better their lives. So we've seen young people do online work. We've also seen art centers set up shops, sell their products, market their products using the online space through the connectivity initiatives that we've seen. So we are seeing a developed community that is able to take up these online opportunities, and there are very many opportunities that the online space provides. Community networks plays a critical role. They not only offer connectivity to members of the community, but the fact that the follow-up to connectivity, what communities are doing with that community, is very, very key. So it is important that we join hands to champion other community networks across the country and across the world, to see our communities connected and to see our communities grow and develop.